Okay, this is the AC safe fin tool that I got from Home Depot, and I paid around $9 for this tool right here, and it's made to get straighten the fins for your air conditioner, like right here. You can see one right there, one right here. Okay, here's one right here, and this tool is adjustable. I got it from Home Depot, and what you do is you take it and you run it down through there and you repair the fins for better airflow. Okay, and it straightens out the bent fins in seconds, and this can be used on radiators, car condensors, and the main thing, the real reason why I bought it is to get out the debris. But these happen to be made, this damage right here happen to be made by squirrels. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how this works. Okay, so all you do, just go down like that. If I can get it a little better right here. You can go up with it or go down with it. Like that. It's a little better. Okay, I'm trying to adjust it like this. Like that. But that's basically what it's supposed to do. And it might be a good idea for me to get like a flathead screwdriver and come out and try to adjust these first, and then come out and pull this off and adjust it. Okay, and I think that's how you do. You take this white thing off right here, and these things spread out like this, and it straightens them out like that. There you go, just like that. Okay. Okay, and these spread out right here. So that's basically how it works. Just like that.